we are finally putting the bike back together. I'm so excited. And here I have Ronnie and Derek with DR Custom Coatings. So they've helped us with a lot of the finishes on the bike. We're going for an old school race vibe. So we're not going to tell you what that theme is yet, but white's going to be a big thing.
This is Paragon Pearl. So it is a bright white, but it has a blue hue to it and certain lighting, which is really kind of neat. And I think it'll play well into the theme. Starting off with the coating, obviously we chemically strip it, want to preserve all the bolt holes, all the threads. Then we put a primer on it for longevity. And then we come back and we hit it with a top coat. And this one, it's the Paragon Pearl.
Along with some of the machine parts. So we've got the swing arm that you guys did the coating on as well.
So we got the swing arm and all of the metal stuff, and we ended up sanding it down really good and then giving it a good brushing. And then we cleared it all with a clear Cerakote, so there's going to be zero maintenance. You're not going to have to worry about oxidation. You're not going to have to worry about water spots. This should be a rider with minimal maintenance. It's kind of what we were hoping for.
Perfect. So. Yeah, that'd be great because cleaning the dyno is a disaster. So I'm looking forward to having it. Looks awesome.
Absolutely.
So thank you guys for coming out, for bringing us all these parts.
Yeah.
Thank you all for all the time you've spent on them. They look amazing. I don't think I've seen a finish this beautiful in a while.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
Not a problem at all.
It was great working with you guys.
Oh yeah.
No, thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
This is the rebound cartridge, which goes in the right-hand fork leg, which we have here. We're going to slide the cartridge in and then secure it in place with the bolt from Indian with a copper crush washer there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll slide that in there kind of like that. Like push against. There you go. Good. That's it.
All right.
There you go. So that is how you put the rebound cartridge in your right-hand fork.
Perfect.
Now we'll continue with rebuilding all of this.
Watch the video in reverse, right?
Watch the video in reverse, exactly. Yeah, our teardown video, it's playing backwards over here on the laptop, so I can remember how to do this. It's got some oomph. All right, so the way that we put these seals in, because they're inverted, we have this really fancy, like, adjustable one that does any size fork you want it to do, but it's one piece. So if you put that together, that fork seal driver will forever live on your fork. So we can't use that. We have this fancy two-piece one so that you can put it together, drive the seal in, and then remove it, which is what we're going to do now. So all I'm doing is just giving us a little Vaseline here so that everything slides nicely. Your dust seal will remain at the base of the fork. So all we're going to do, we're going to take this, stand it up. We're going to take the fork leg, stand it up, set the two of these together. And now, this is where it takes two people. So, well, it doesn't take two people if you do this every day, but for today, it takes two people. So I'm gonna hold this up. What you're gonna do is put those two halves together around this.
Okay. Doesn't matter which side's up?
Short side goes up.
Okay.
Yep. And then there are little pins. So now it works like a hammer. So bring it up and swing it down. Hit it.
Sit down.
Now, we will install our fancy snap ring provided from Indian Motorcycle in some of their fork seal kits. So as long as you remember which one comes with this, you know which one you can and can't throw away. So now you can reinstall your dust seal. Kind of like that. So that there is your mostly assembled fork. Now obviously we have the fork spring out because when you set the fluid height, that is done without the spring in place. So that way you get an accurate fork oil height, which we will do in just a moment as soon as I grab some more special tools. Oh, special tool. So this is the right-hand fork leg, which we built with the rebound cartridge in it, right? These two cartridges, even though visually they look the same, they actually serve a different function. This being the rebound cartridge, what that does is, as your suspension is coming back up, that is the rebound, right? So what this does, if you watch, when I push down, I can push down pretty quickly, right? Pushes down, but when it comes back up nice and slow, that's what this is doing on the rebound cartridge. It's slowly allowing the bike to come back up. The other one will be the opposite. When I go to push down, it will compress slowly, but then it'll come right back up. Because this one slows you coming up, that one slows you going down. So that right there is a difference between compression and rebound.
So we've got the first fork leg put together. Eli's working on the second one. We really wanted to go with the raw look, but also make it look finished. So that's where our brushing really came in with our guys from DR Customs.
Oh yeah.
I'm really happy.
Yep.
Good brushing.
SMT wheels. They're round.
And rad.
They're round. And look, they're on the move. Bridgestone tire. Also round.
Yeah.
What are you just
I
gonna
was-
stand there?
Yeah, I was gonna.
So what are we doing?
All right, so day one of the rebuild, right? So we had a few issues we're gonna work out, a few things that part of custom building apparently is what I'm being told. But we got most of the front end on.
We did. We got the front end assembled. We got the Big Bear Chopper suspension dialed in. We got the new wheel from SMT dialed in. Rotors, spacing, everything's ready to rock on the front end of the new Sport Chief for Emma. And my machinist has already got the risers, so we're kind of getting ready to go on the upper end of this bike build. Obviously, we're missing a big component here, but we had a little snafu today. We're really excited to show you the back end of this bike.
Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here right now, but when we do get the back end assembled, which we're hoping for today, I think you guys are going to be pumped. The rear wheel looks sexy. The rear swing arm is amazing. We just had a couple of spacing issues, maybe a couple of bearing issues, but you guys, next time you see this, I think Emma will be sitting on top of it and maybe a motor. We'll see. Yep.